Hello and good morning, grade 8. It's Mr. Yahya again, and today we're going to study some vocabulary. We're going to start with lesson 20, and let's start with word number 1. Alrighty, the word number 1 is the word adept. So, what does adept mean? Adept means skillful or expert. For example, he's an adept photographer. He takes pretty photos. It means he's a very good photographer, or he's adept. Alrighty, number 2. Dingy. What does dingy mean? It means dirty looking or grimy or shabby. Some kids look dingy. They need to shower more often. Okay? Not any of you guys, you're all very nice and clean, but some kids do look dingy, right? Yep. So it means dirty looking. Okay, number 3. We got the word maroon. Okay, and there's 2 meanings for the word maroon. There's the verb, which means to strand a person on a desolate island or coast. And there's the noun, which is what? A dark reddish brown color, like over here. This color, that's maroon. Okay, number 4. We got the word disagreeable. It's an adjective and it means unpleasant or offensive. He's such a disagreeable teacher. He's not our favorite teacher. Okay? Disagreeable. So it means what? Unpleasant or offensive. Okay, number 5, we got the word humiliate. And it means to offend someone's pride and dignity. Example, they humiliated him when they laughed at him in front of the whole class. Okay. Number 6, we got the word jeopardize. It means to risk injury or loss. He jeopardized all his money playing cards. So he was gambling, playing cards, poker, whatever, and he jeopardized all his money. He risked losing all of it, right? So, jeopardized. Okay, number 7, we've got the word persistent. And persistent here means what? Refusing to give up. For example, he was very persistent. He asked her to marry him 7 times before she accepted. So he's persistent. He didn't give up. He kept on asking and asking and asking and asking until eventually she did accept his proposal, right? Okay, great job. Let's go to number 8. Thrifty. Thrifty means economical or careful about expenses. So for example, my mother is thrifty. She manages our budget very well. So she knows how to save money well and how to spend it well. She's careful about the expenses. She knows when to save and when to spend. She's thrifty. Okay. Next we got number 9, Titanic. And Titanic here means what? Of great size, strength, or power. They built a Titanic castle to protect themselves. And I'm sure that we've all heard of the movie The Titanic, right? Or Titanic about the boat or the ship. Right? Here's a picture of it. It was said to be called the Titanic. Why? Because they thought it was so strong and it was so big that nothing could sink it. Okay? Which was proved to be wrong, right? The iceberg did the job and it made it sink. But what? Titanic means what? Very large, of great size, or very strong, or very powerful. Okay? Next, number 10, we have the word verify. And verify means to confirm or prove something is true. For example, can I see your ID card to verify that you're 18 years old? To make sure that you're 18 years old, can I see your ID card? Okay? Or to confirm that you're 18 years old, or to prove that you're 18 years old. Okay, so verify. Okay? So let's go take a look at your homework and see what we've got in store for us this week. Just like last week, we'll have 5 words. Okay? and it says, find the definition of each of the following words using an online dictionary, just like how I showed you guys in the last video. Then put each word in at least 2 complete sentences. So which words this week? We'll look for adept, persistent, maroon, Titanic, and jeopardize. Just like I showed you guys last week, we're going to do the same thing. Use an online dictionary, find the meaning of the word, write it down, and then write at least 2 complete sentences using that word. So you can write maybe from 2 to 5 sentences for each word, okay, using the word in a complete sentence. Anyways, that's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.